Here's a popular Chevy that we don't see a whole lot of come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nice little 1967 Chevrolet Nova SS. This particular car is a true SS. You can decode the VIN number on these, which I'll tell you this actually would have originally been a 6-cylinder Chevy 2 Nova SS. Designation for that was the 1 in the VIN number stood for Chevrolet, and then the 17 following that would have stated, like I said, this is a true Chevy 2 Nova SS. Would have been a little 2-door coupe, 6-cylinder. Since then, it has had a 350 put in underneath the hood, and that's paired with a Power Glide transmission, which this also would have came with originally, was a Power Glide transmission. According to the data tag, it was an ermine white car originally. I believe it would have had a black vinyl top on it. As you can see, now it is painted white top to bottom. Riding on Krager SS wheels. Give it that nostalgia look. I would call this a nice driver quality car. As you can see, the chrome and bright work up front is nice on it. Paint, it has had more of a recent repaint, which you can see. There's a few spots I noticed down in the lower portion of the passenger door. I'll kind of point out as I get around there. And if you want to check out the still pictures, then you can check out the underside of this car, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures. Take your time, look it over. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you look down below in the description of this video, there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right to our website. Feel free to call us too. Be happy to discuss this car with you. 507-386-1726. As you can see, the car is straight up and down it. This body style is rather popular body style. You just don't see as many of them anymore. And like I said, they are still popular. Here's where I notice there's a little bit of work where you can see in the video there that's kind of along the bottom of that door. Just wanted to make you aware of it. I'd call this a nice driver quality car. Seems to run strong. Interior's nice. Again, the paint shows well. It's not that old a paint, but not 100% perfect car. This one, you have some fun at your local shows. Take it into local cruise-ins. Just having fun as a driver. Again, bright work is nice in the back of it. SS badging in the trunk. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Once again, our number, 507-386-1726. Feel free to call. Previous owner of this car had owned it since 2012, enjoyed it, just decided it was time to kind of move on to something else. Now it is being offered for sale. And again, you can take a look at kind of the bottom of this door. Notice one little touch-up spot down here. See a little bit there, but no, otherwise pretty good on this side. And we'll go ahead and check out the interior. Go ahead and fire this one up. We'll look at that engine bay. All right, door card's all in nice shape. Let's go add these seats. Got a nice looking seat in this car with the white stripe down the center. Match the exterior of the car. For our steering wheel dash, seems very stock, except for the fact you get a little aftermarket tack on the steering column and some aftermarket gauges, and it does have a later model digital radio to it, and the radio does work. I did have that working. Check out the headliner of the back seat. I think they got some 6x9s added in the rear deck for the stereo. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Car starts very easily, sounds nice. Tax appears to work. Aftermarket gauge cluster right down here also working, and like I said, I did have the radio on before, powered up, had a station playing, so that was all good. go ahead and slip out that. Oh, one more thing. Gas gauge appears to work fine. Came up to half a tank. Door closes nicely. Let's come around back here. Listen to the rumble out of this 350 underneath the hood. Like I said, nice, healthy sounding car. I'm going to slip up here to the front, pause this video a second. We'll pop the hood, just take a look at what the engine bay looks like. Alright, first off, look underneath the hood. Very clean and tidy. Nice look to it. Engine bay, a lot of polished aluminum. Top of the engine, intake, valve covers, headers. See how smooth it runs, how good it sounds. Nice, tidy and clean, sharp looking engine bay. So there you have it, 1967 Chevrolet Nova 2 SS. Feel free to give us a call. That number, once again, 507-386-1726. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, of course, financing is available. We do consider trades, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.